Okay, so I'm taking part in a collaboration that's hosted by the Diva Design on a Dime with Kimberly Davis and Fabulous Design on a Budget. So we were asked to decorate a bar cart and to show one of our favorite drinks and how we make it. So one of my favorite drinks that I like to drink is a tequila sunrise, and it's a very easy drink. Usually you would use a tall glass to make this drink, but I'm doing it with a homebody twist. I'm actually using my martini glasses here. So all you need is grenadine, you need your ice, your orange juice, and your tequila. The tequila is the signature portion of this drink. So what I'm gonna do first is add my ice. I have some ice, I don't know what my ice picks or ice, whatever you call them, the things that you remove the ice out of. I don't know where they are, so I'm doing that. So then you add you add your tequila, and I'm gonna use my shot glass here. And I'm gonna add, I hope you can see that. I'm gonna add my shot. And put this back, done with that. And I'm gonna add my orange juice. And I can actually be liberal with this. And you add your grenadine. You don't need very much. And it goes to the bottom. And then you just garnish it. I'm gonna take a orange and put it there. Take my other orange and put it here. And then you can grab a cherry. Put your cherry right there. It fell in there. And cherry right there. And voila! The drink is done. Super cute drink. You can see how pretty it is here. Really cute. Tequila sunrise. There's one. And then here's the other. Super cute. Now, you usually don't stir these, but I think you need to stir them to get them mixed. Then you just can add your stir in there. So now that I made my drink and I've already given you the tour of the bar cart, I'm just gonna tell you where the items came from that's on the bar cart. So the Greek key vase actually came from Home Goods. The pineapple on this end came from Wayfair. The florals that you see inside the vase, the pink ones, came from Home Goods. The aqua tealish looking color came from Hobby Lobby, as well as the picks here. The bigger pineapple on this end came from Thomas Ferrier Candles, and the other smaller candle pineapple actually came from Home Goods. The pineapple serving dish came from Z Gallery, and the actual martini glasses came from Pier 1, and aren't we going to miss Pier 1? I know I'm going to miss Pier 1 because Pier 1 had some of the most unique items, but this is not about Pier 1, you guys. So I'm gonna not go off on a rumble. So martini glasses from Pier 1, the coastals came from Pier 1, my bar cart came from Home Goods, my wine glasses in the back came from Ross, the flutes came from Z Gallery, my Victorian decanister in the back right here actually came from Z Gallery, the little elephant here came from Hobby Lobby, the champagne set in the back came from Z Gallery, my plaque here came from Hobby Lobby, and that sums up my bar cart. I think it's super cute. I love it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.